Now I'm going to explain you how to research keyword using keywordtool.io. So as I showed in my lecture, this is the website of keywordtool.io. First I'm going to log in into the website. So I have the details in my notepad. I have just copied and pasted all the details in it and I'm logging into the website now. So this is the main page of the keywordtool.io website. You can see that it consists of Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, App Store. You can use this website for researching keyword in any of these websites like Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, App Store. It works really great. So now I'm going to use Google. So for example, I'm choosing a keyword as iPhone. So you can select any website right here and language from clicking this drop down, but basically google.com has greater traffic. I'm selecting google.com and language is English. You can choose a language and website depending on the country you're targeting. So once you click on the search button, yes, it's loading. You can find the results right here. You can see that there are 1372 unique keywords for the word iPhone. The keyword, search volume, CPC, cost per click values are also included in it. CPC does not have much importance, but if you are using it for AdSense, then you should check your CPC value. For AdSense, CPC should be normally very high. So you can see that there are different results for the keyword iPhone. Select a keyword with 3 to 4 words. See, I'm going to select iPhone 7 Plus cases, which consist of 4 keywords and 4 words in it, but the CPC is 0.6. It's nearly equal to 1, so I'm going to take this as a keyword and again I'm going to search for it. So if I search for this keyword alone, you can see that there are unique results suggested here. So here you should check what is the search volume. If the search volume is above 1000, then you can use these words as a main keyword. You can use the rest of the words as a long tail keyword. If you are writing articles, then these keywords will definitely help you. So make a note of all the other keywords if you are writing articles, and make sure that your main keyword consists of search volume above 1000. So questions are also equally important, because if you are writing any articles, then you should consider these questions and those articles should be based on the questions that are present here, because Google highly rank your articles if they are based on these questions. So make sure you are taking note of the questions too if you are writing articles. You can also export all the keywords to an Excel sheet. So there's an option called export right here. If you click on it, it will be automatically downloaded and all the details will be given to you in an Excel format. So I just copied in the notepad because for my reference to my next lecture. So similarly you have the export option for the questions too. Select all the words, keywords you need, press export all. Then all the details will be automatically saved in an Excel sheet. Similarly for the questions. So here you can see that there are filter results. Filter your search right here. So if you want a keyword with the word best or buy, you can type it in the search result and click go. The suggestion will be based on your filter. The keyword will contain best along with it. And if you want to search for a keyword with search volume above 1000, you can give it right here. Make sure that clear all the filters when you are applying the filters again and again. So here are the search volume settings. You can give your locations, languages and network, and if you want the CPC value based on different currency, you can select it here. So there's also another option called negative keyword. If you give a keyword right here, then what it does is this word will be neglected from your result and the keyword will not contain this word. For example, if you don't want Best Buy and if you search for a keyword, then the result will be without Best Buy. So you can make use of all the options available to get a keyword that you want specifically. So that's it about this software. If you have any questions, you can contact me. I'll be always there to help you.